You are officially invited to my in-person UGC workshop in Amsterdam on August 16th, 2025. We had our first one in Scottsdale, Arizona this year, and I'm officially bringing this exclusive experience to all my European creators, so let's watch a little recap.
I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now. I just wanna turn around, dance. I just wanna I just wanna have fun, turn around. I just wanna now and turn around now.
If you've been curious about how to become a high-paying UGC creator, I'll be showing you guys my step-by-step creative process live during this workshop. Plus, our most beloved segments are back, including speed networking dates and the UGC competition challenge, where you'll get some hands-on content creation time with your peers. I'll be doing live UGC competition reviews and real-time edits so you can see how I would personally improve your content and why. And here's the best part. Round-trip flights to Amsterdam are under $500 right now from cities all over the world because it is off-season. And every workshop ticket also unlocks VIP lifetime access to my private UGC masterclass valued at $1,300, which you are going to get for free. This unlocks multiple step-by-step guides to help you learn how to become a high-paying UGC creator, unlock multiple other income streams, learn how to pitch, negotiate, and upsell to brands, as well as over 20 hours of recorded live training. I've taught over 1,000 creators from all over the world who have since negotiated their highest-paying brand partnerships to date and have since turned content creation into their full-time job since joining this masterclass. There are only 40 seats to this workshop, and so if you're quick enough, you might be able to snag one of these tickets at our early bird price of $389. General admission does increase to $500 after this early bird price, so make sure you purchase your tickets in the links below, and I'll see you in Europe.